Freshmentors.
Hi, my name is Hamsika. I've graduated in 2013 with a BSc in chemistry from Fergusonn College, Pune. Fergusonn is affiliated to the University of Pune, so most people who do a BSc in chemistry end up doing a master's in chemistry, probably from the University of Pune. So we have a high concentration of sort of research-oriented study in our curriculum. In the first year, it's pretty basic because this is a BSc system and not an honor system. You don't have the concept of sort of a past subject and the honor subject. So we have 4 subjects in the first year, all of which are equally important. And my coursework was physics, chemistry, mathematics, and electronics. You have 2 papers in each, and practicals at the end of the year. In second year, you drop one subject and you take up a language. So I dropped electronics. And in the final year, you only study your BSc subject, which for me was chemistry, which was basically 6 papers in chemistry. Now, as for the actual curriculum, in first year it's pretty basic because we're only doing sort of 1/4 of our BSc subjects. So I had organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry. In second year, I had 4 papers: organic, inorganic, physical, and analytical chemistry. And in final year, I had 6 papers: organic, inorganic, physical, analytical, industrial, and biochemistry. As for the curriculum, well, we're studying the same subjects, but obviously the topics you study about differ from year to year. In first year, they cover bases, so we're mostly studying the stuff we've already done in 12 and stuff. In second year, they introduce a little bit of sort of more advanced concepts, and final year, obviously, I mean, it's 1/6 of your entire graduation course, so the concentration is a lot more heavy. Lab work is quite important, obviously. In the final year, we have 20 experiments per subject. So, and we have 3 subjects in lab work: physical, inorganic, and organic. So that makes 60 practicals in total, and 3 practical exams at the end of the year. So, I mean, it's a pretty heavy course, and it's not the kind of thing you can take up for fun, definitely. The faculty is well versed. Almost every subject has at least sort of 3, or every sub-subject like physical, organic, and inorganic have at least sort of 3 or 4 professors who've done a PhD, and very helpful and sort of very approachable, and the kind you can actually go to for extra study material and stuff. They also encourage project work even if it's outside the lab. So in my first year, for example, I spent half the year in the master's lab doing organic chemistry projects on extraction of compounds from their natural products, and the faculty was very helpful there. I mean, they even donate you their library cards, so you can, borrow books, you can read up, and you can organize presentations and seminars. We have a chemistry club in the department, and we have guest lectures every week. People from TIFR Bombay, ISER Pune, ISER, I don't think we've had anybody from ISER Calcutta, but mostly scientific personalities from Pune and Bombay. And the class timings are also pretty lenient. I mean, you just have 3 hours of class a day, which is, for a BSc course, I think pretty less. Lab work is also 3 hours, but since it's enjoyable, I don't think that's a big problem. Opinion as that might be. But that's Fergusonn is ranked 6th all India for science. So I mean, you can be assured that the infrastructure and the faculty and the curriculum will be at least quite good, if not very good. I mean, it differs from person to person. I liked it. And as for, I mean, from a perspective of future studies, I think it's incredibly helpful because you really do get an all-round education, and at the same time, the kind of sort of leniency that they have with respect to the curriculum allows you to pursue specific areas of interest. I mean, you really can do pretty much whatever you want to do in chemistry. I had teachers who lent me books on PhD studies because I was interested in some things that weren't included in our curriculum. And yeah, basically that's an overview of the BSc chemistry course, and I hope it's been helpful, and yeah, I hope it's instructive. Thank you.